Hello, beautiful people. My name is Nora G. So today, nobody asked, but I will be sharing with you how I spent my first YouTube pay on Wayfair. Yes, so it is a Wayfair furniture unboxing, or Wayfair furniture haul, Wayfair furniture review, you call it, okay? So this was my furniture before Wayfair, and I've had this for over 5-6 years now. I tried to change the dynamics, but no, it was time for me to make some changes, okay? And of course, I had to save up for this, and thank God for YouTube. I will be using my YouTube pay to do this. So this was my order. I still have some furniture on the way to me, but for now I will show you because most of my order is already here. So I'm going to do the unboxing with you all. All right, so let's get right into it. Okay, so before we do dig right into it, if you're new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and join my Nook Retro family, okay? This is a dope family, guys. You will want to join in because we will be getting into vlogs very soon, but that's by the way. Now let's focus, okay, to the matter at hand. So this tufted dining chair by Hahi is actually very high quality velvet, okay? It is soft and comfortable. I got my husband to actually put them together. It was very easy to put together. So yes, it has an excess sponge filling built-in spring, which gives you a comfortable experience. So mind you, I am not paid to do this, okay? I'm just reviewing what I got from Wayfair, which by the way, I really was very impressed with everything that I got. This Blue Bonnet rug was one of my favorites among everything that I got, and it comes in neutral colors. And one thing that I really love this rug is the fact that it is easy maintenance. Do not mind the fact that it is ivory. Trust me, it is so easy to clean. Even the sofas, which I am going to get back to that. All right. So the sofa by Alcott Hill is also velvet, and it's so easy to clean. Surprisingly, I wanted to make a video of actually showing you how easy it is to take off stain from this, but I actually forgot. But with time, I'm going to show you because I am yet to do the full decorating of my home. So right now it's just an unboxing. A lot of things that I have to change, like the curtains, the paper flowers, the pillows. There's still a lot of things that I have to get rid of. But for now, let's do the unboxing and review and just walk with me, okay? So this sofa by Alcott Hill is actually very durable construction, built with a firm hardwood frame and solid wooden legs. So as you already know, the cushion is made from like really good soft velvet fabric. I really love that about this. So I was actually working away from doing matchy, so I decided to get 2 of these sofas instead, and then got 2 accent chairs to go with them in a different color, which you will see later on in this video. This will be my first time owning any kind of tufted furniture. I've just never really been a fan of tufted furniture before now, but for the past couple of years, I've actually developed some interest in tufted furniture. So this time I decided to try this out, and I'm actually very pleased. I really love them, okay? So I also got this tufted velvet wingback chair in a set of 2 as my accent chairs to actually offset the sofas because they come in ivory. I didn't want to have them in ivory. These chairs come in like 6 or 7 different colors, so you may want to check Wayfair's, okay? So I decided to go with green, and mind you, I'll be changing the curtains and the pillows. So for now, let's just focus on the furniture, all right? Do not pay any attention to the decor because that will change with time, and I'm going to show you all everything. Now back to the tufted dining chairs. I really love this back ring, which you can use to easily pull the chair out. At the same time, it has a very decorative effect, okay? I really love that, and it just adds some glam to it, you know. The velvet accent chairs actually came already mounted. The only thing we needed to do was to add the legs. That was very easy for us. So far, none of the furnitures gave us any kind of trouble while we tried to mount them. It was very easy as long as you follow the manual. They all look exactly as pictured on Wayfair's website, and that was very impressive to me. So we wanted a coffee table that would kind of tie in with the dining set, which I'm going to show you later on. So we decided to go with the Strutwick 3-piece coffee table. I really love this. It actually comes in golden champagne, which is what I got, and also in silver chrome. I love that the geometric framework actually adds some extra flair to the overall look. And this is a dining table that we decided to go for, which complements the coffee table perfectly. Well, I do appreciate you all watching right up to this point. So if you've watched right up to this moment, please do comment furniture in the comment section below and show your girls some love. All right, I really do appreciate you all. So this is the overall look so far for the furniture we've received so far and mounted. So I still have a couple of items coming in, some decorative items, some I am going to DIY, and I'm going to show you all every detail, okay, and everything that I add. I'm definitely going to show you all, especially the DIYs, because I would definitely be doing some DIYs to actually add onto my interior decor. And all right, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. This is my version of Extreme Living Room Makeover 2021, my small space. My carpet from Sophia Rugs is here. Yay! That is it from Sophia Rugs. Okay. Let's see. The unveiling. So yes, this is my lovely shag rug from Sophia Rug. I have the link in the description box, you guys who want to check them out for your carpets, your rugs, okay? They have really durable, comfortable rugs like this one. Just look at this. So I will be doing a video, so I still have an office, my small office makeover video coming up, so stay tuned, which also has furniture from Wayfair and Amazon and also Sophia Rug. So make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss on that. All right, I'm currently working on that transformation. All right, in the meantime, check out sophiarug.com for your rug needs and thank me later. And that, you guys, is how I spent my first YouTube paycheck as a small YouTuber. So do let me know in the comment section if you've ever bought furniture from Wayfair and what you think about this furniture haul and Wayfair furniture review. I would like to know. Do drop a comment below if you have any questions, and please do smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Also remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.